Today I'm crimping 4-foot tall cereal rye that was just starting to pollinate when we planted the corn on Thursday and Friday last week. Today is Tuesday. The corn we planted Thursday is just spiking. Doesn't look like the right way roller crimper is hurting it at all. It's pretty warm today, going to be 90. Pretty flexible corn. Doing a nice job getting that rye laid down into a nice solid weed control mat. The right way roller crimper doing a nice job laying down the rye. It's standing there on both sides, and I'm rolling down a strip through the middle. 4-foot tall rye. Driving back across the areas where I crimped, you can see the flat rye and the rye that's still standing on my alternating passes. I skipped every other pass just so I don't turn too sharp.